If you're having trouble verifying your identity on Facebook, don't worry. This guide will help you navigate the process step by step to resolve any issues. Step 1. Check your information. Ensure that the information you provided matches your official identification documents. This includes your name, date of birth, and any other relevant details. Step 2. Use alternative identification. If your initial verification fails, try submitting a different form of identification. Facebook accepts various documents such as a driver's license, passport, or utility bill as proof of identity. Step 3. Review Facebook's guidelines. Visit Facebook's Help Center to familiarize yourself with their identity verification guidelines. Understanding their requirements can help you prepare the correct documentation. Step 4. Appeal the decision. If your verification continues to fail, you can appeal Facebook's decision. Follow the instructions provided in the notification you received about the failed verification and submit any additional information they request. Step 5. Contact Facebook support. If all else fails, reach out to Facebook support for assistance. Use the Help Center to find the appropriate contact options and explain your situation clearly to get the help you need. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully verify your identity on Facebook. If you encounter further issues, don't hesitate to seek additional support.